Okay, so there's going to be times when you want to determine if things are in session. For example, if I'm opening up a model and I want to know if the model contains a specific file or a particular model name or subassembly, I can do that quite easily with Nitro-CELL. So I've opened this up. I'm going to close it, but I'm not going to erase memory. If I check, I can see that my models are still in session here. So if I wanted to just write a little routine to try to understand if a particular model was in session, meaning it was brought up because something else was opened as a dependent or whatever, we can just simply select the model object type and then scroll down to in session. And this is looking within the Creo's memory to find out, is this loaded currently? Not if it's active, but just is it loaded? And if I want to look for the gasket, I'm going to look for gasket.prt, but I need to put that information someplace. So we recommend that you put this on a different location. So I'm going to put it on another worksheet called process model, and I may use a different worksheet to drop the data in and then make some decisions based on that data's existence. So I'm going to put this at E7. E7. So when I run this, you'll notice that it is going to run that worksheet and then drop the value here as to whether it's true or not. Now, what can you do with this? Well, once that data is there, you may do something like, let's say, open the model. So I'm going to open that particular model and display it. So I'm actually just going to put a little piece of logic here that says if this particular value is equal to true, then, whoops, TRUE, then I want to do nothing, otherwise exclude this function call. So if true is not a value there, then it will not run this particular line of code. To get this other sheet to run, all we have to do is come in and say worksheet, execute tab, and then we're just going to reference that same tab that's being referenced for the placement of the data. Now when I run it, it will say, oh, that was true. It is in memory. Now I've opened it up and it's my current active model in session.